guys, today we are going to work on letter sounds. We're going to do sound stew. So this is our recipe card. Oop, gotta get my spoon up here. So this is a picture of a heart. What sound do you hear? An H or Q? An H. Very good. So I have a bowl here I'm going to stick it in. This is a picture of a queen. Queen. What letter does queen start with? A Q or a C? Queen. Very good. A Q. Zipple. Zipple. What sound is that? Zipple. A C or a Z? Zipple. Very good. A Z. Now the last one is a picture of a cur. So what sound does cur start with? C. Very good. So I'm going to start my stew here. So one recipe card done. Let's move on to the next one. We're going to do 3 recipe cards today. This is a picture of an umbrella. What letter do you hear? Umbrella. I, U. U. Very good. Bear. B. What letter do you hear? A W or a B? B. A B. Very good. This is a picture of an igloo. Igloo. I. Which one makes an I sound? The I or the W? The I. Very good. Do you guys know what this is a picture of? Great job. It's a wagon. Wa is a W. We're done with that recipe card, so I'm going to take my spoon and store up my stew again. Last sound stew card. This is a picture of a box. B. Is that a B or an A? B. A B. Great job. Apple. Apple. An A or V? An A. Great job. How about volcano? Volcano. Is that an E or is that a V? Volcano. A V. Great job. You guys have got really good at this. Eggs. And that is an E. That makes the sound. So I got to store up our alphabet soup again. Yum, yum. Great walk today, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.